Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a luxurious 3,500 square feet villa for sale. It sits on 0.63 acres and is located in Cardiff Hall, Runaway Bay, St. Anne. It offers a total of 7 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and 3 kitchens. The main house has 4 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, a private pool, and views of the Sandals and the beach's Runaway Bay Golf Course. Additionally, it features a guest house with a studio apartment upstairs with a loft. There is also a 2 bedroom apartment downstairs currently used for staff, but has potential to be converted to another luxury apartment, gym, or spa. There is an option to employ a trusted groundsman who has been there for nearly 20 years. Other staff is available, including cook and housekeepers. Water is from Runaway Bay Springs, so water is all year round. The property includes titled rights to Ocean Park Beach, making it perfect for seaside relaxation. With a successful track record as an Airbnb for over 15 years, this villa is not only a beautiful retreat, but also a lucrative investment opportunity. It has 5 stars and guest favorite on Airbnb website. The property is sold fully equipped and with a calendar of bookings if required. Schedule a viewing today to experience this slice of paradise firsthand. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 945,000, Jamaican 149 million, Canadian 1.35 million, Euro 868,000, or 734.4 thousand pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.